Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well at your home, and I would like to wish you and your family a very happy Eid Mubarak, and I pray that may Allah Almighty fulfill all your dreams and hope and your life become a garden of heaven. Now today I am going to share with you a very traditional recipe of Eid, that is biryani, in the Eid cooking transmission of Pingu's English School and Eureka School system. So let's see the ingredients. So the ingredients to make biryani is over here: garlic paste, ginger paste, Bombay biryani masala of National, and few mint leaves, chili. I have taken 6 green chilies, red chili powder, salt, potato. I have taken 1. It's up to you. If you like more, you can take more. Then I have taken tomatoes, that is 3 to 4 medium size, and then I have taken 4 medium size onion, and I have boiled 1 kg of rice, and during the boiling I have added few mint leaves and 1 lemon in this, and then half cup of yogurt. Then oil I am taking 3/4 cup, and this is the meat. I have boiled it, and this is the meat stock. If I will be needing water to add in the gravy, so instead of water I will be using the stock. So let's start. First of all, I will be adding 3/4 cup of oil, and in this oil I will be adding 4 medium sized onion, and I will be frying it till the onion turns golden. Fine, you can fry it on high flame. See the flame? On this flame you have to fry it till golden brown. So now you can see how it has become golden color. Now I will be adding ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. Ginger paste, and now I will be adding garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. And now I will mix it very nicely. For 1 minute I will mix it nicely, so that the ginger and garlic paste also fry nicely. And over here I can smell the ginger and garlic paste. Now I have added tomatoes in it. Now I will mix it till then the tomatoes will turn soft, so I am going to fry it till that time. So now I am going to cover it so that tomatoes can be softened easily. So in the meanwhile, what I am going to do, this is half cup of yogurt. Now I am going to add the biryani masala, the whole packet in this. If you like normal spice, so this masala is enough. If you like more spice, so you should add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt in it, and you can mix it nicely. From the edges as well we will take it. So now it has been mixed nicely. So now you can see the tomato and the onion, both are mixed together. Now I am going to add the beef in it and give it a good mix. Like this I will mix it, so that the meat, the beef which I have taken, will be fried nicely. Now I am going to add the mixture of yogurt. All of this I will be adding, and then I will mix it nicely like this. And I can smell it. The smell of it is very good. So now I will cook it on a high flame for 5 minutes so that the oil should be separated. So now you can see that the gravy is separate and the oil is separate now. Now I'm going to add the potatoes in it. If you like more potatoes, you can add more. And now I'm going to mix it nicely. And with the potatoes, I'm going to add the green chilies as well. I have split it from the center, as you can see. I have taken 6. If you like less chili, so you can add 2 or 3. And now at this stage, the stock which I have taken when I was boiling the meat, so I will be adding very little so that the potatoes which I have added will be cooked in this water. And I'm going to mix it and I will cover it and keep it on a medium flame for 2 minutes. See the flame, it's medium, and we will wait for 2 minutes. Now we will check that our potatoes are cooked or not. So you can see now the potatoes has been cooked nicely. So what we are going to do, we are going to layer the biryani now. Okay, now I have taken another, and in this I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I am adding half of rice in it for the layering. Now I will spread it with the help of the spoon. Now I am going to add the meat in it. Like this, I will add half meat in it. Like this, I will spread it nicely so that we can get a very nice layer. Like this. Now I'm going to add more rice in it. As I have taken 1 kg of rice and meat, so I will be making 2 layers easily of meat and 3 layers of rice. Now I am going to add the leftover meat in this, like this. Now I am going to spread it. Now finally I am going to add the rice, the remaining rice. And I will spread it evenly. Now I am going to add some mint leaves from the top, like this. And now I have taken the zarda color. I have taken 1/4 cup of water and 2 pinch of zarda color. Now I am going to pour it like this to give it a nice orange color. Now I am going to cover it. Fine, and you can see the flame. On this much flame we have to keep it for 25 minutes. Turning it after 25 minutes to see how it will look. So now you can see, now we are mixing it nicely. We will give it a very nice mix so that the rice and the meat should combine. You can see the close-up as well. Now it has been mixed nicely. Now we will dish it out. So here is the final look of our biryani, and no doubt it's everyone's favorite dish, and I hope you will try at your home during Eid. Jazakallah.